Welcome back to Channel On. I'm down here in sub-level 3 and rummaging around looking for some things for another video that I'm working on. And I came across this old candle arbor, I guess you'd call it, old chandelier. And if you remember right, in one of my other videos, I had taken an old light that I picked up and used bowls to make it look good. Well, I've got some like LED candles, I believe, kicking around, and I think I can do the same thing with this old light fixture here. I think all I gotta do is just kind of move some things around, clean it up, and do something with that. So let's take it up to the, I think it's the 27th floors where I moved my studio to, and see what we can do with it. Okay, pretty nice little find here. So I've wiped it all down, I've straightened it all out. And you'd be surprised on what those little 25-watt bulbs will put out for heat. They are warm, that's for sure. So there was two of them in there, and what I'm going to end up putting in here is the LED flame light. And I picked these up a while ago, and according to the package, they kind of they're supposed to look like a fire. So let's go ahead and try it out. There, here we go. So it's not quite looking like the package so far, but maybe it does after a while. We'll wait and see here. All right, I can kind of see the LED lights going on inside there. Looking pretty good though. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. You hit the lights here so you can kind of get the real effect. Oh yeah, those look really nice. So they don't really look like what it shows here on the package, but they're really nice, especially from a distance. This was kind of a nice find downstairs when I was looking for something else. So not really a modification or really a how-to. I guess I'm just kind of demonstrating the little LED flames. And I think these are going to be a lot safer than these 25-watt incandescent bulbs too, because these just do not get hot. These have been on here, what, 4 or 5 minutes, and they're not warm. And it's going to be a lot easier on the old light bill too. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.